Oh. It's a beautiful day outside. What is not better than the heavens? Heaven! Huh. I just want to see my chest and my hair move slowly. Good morning. Or good afternoon. There may be a lot of school students or people that like to watch the internet around the world. This is an outdoor research. You can see here a tree full of insects. If you like. It's really important that you see these creatures of wonder. Nature. Please don't expect this to be a Discovery Channel. But it's quite difficult for me to say this. But I can say it. Huh. Maybe you can take it as a daily funny event. Here we got one of the most intriguing outdoor research. So here I find a wonder of life, the cicada. A superfamily, the cicada idea insect. Let's go take a look. Yeah! You can truly see now that he's out of his shell. It was moving. I'm going to see if it moves. Oh, wow. He is moving. Well, it's time to come out. Oh, stunning. Feels like his wings look fresh. Oh my God, what is going on here? This is a full transformation. Well, sir, are you coming out? Oh my God. Intriguing. Always wanted to see what it would be like to actually see it. It's quite interesting. It looks like it's getting off or it's coming out. It's coming out of his cocoon. I think we finalized this outdoor research. This is Daily Funny Events, reporting live. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, heavy.